Good morning and welcome to our third day here at the Spanish Pavilion Mobile World Congress 2024. We're going to kickstart today's program with one of our co-exhibitor company presentations. The company is called inAtlas. You can find them in booth number 7. I've got here Silvia Mancini, COO and Sales Manager. Welcome, Silvia. And the title of the presentation is Geomarketing Worldwide, Where to Find the Best Market to Expand Your Business. Whenever you're ready, Silvia. The stage is yours.
I need the screen.
Don't worry. We'll put it up right now.
Okay. Thank you. Well, I'm going to present today the solution, the Geomarketing Worldwide. And our company is based on big data and location analytics. This solution wants to help companies that want to grow their own business in different markets. So usually when companies start an internationalization process, they struggle with many different problems. First is a expensive investment, and they need information. They need information where are their best clients, which are the main competitors in this market, and what kind of product they are selling there, at which prices. So they need to know exactly how to land in a market that they don't know. And for doing that, they need information. So that's what we do. We are a company, as I told you, that we create our own software that reproduce and the performances of a GIS software, the geographic information software, that usually visualize data that is owned and are uploaded by the client. But we create behind a system of big data, our own data lake, and we provide our customer also to data of external markets that they need to cross with their internal data. So our solution really covers the sales strategy and expansion strategy for every single sector that want to open new markets. We are part of the Informa Dun & Bradstreet group. So the Dun & Bradstreet is the leader company in business information around the world, and they provide us all the universe of business information, where they are, which kind of revenue, size of employees, sector of activity. So we are able to provide this at very competitive cost in a service that at the end is a solution. It's not a software, not just data. It's a solution that integrates everything together. So our clients access by a single user and password to this Geomarketing Worldwide. They don't need to integrate any software in their infrastructure. And it's a software that manages business based on location, with the value of the location. So we give them access to clients to understand which are the main target that they can address, the competitors. They know where they are, what they are selling, provider, if they have to find distributor provider to be more efficient in their strategy of implementation of new business there. And then we give them the information about product. If they are selling their own product, they need to know at which price and where they are selling the same product, which are the buyer in this country and which are the seller in this country. And then on the other side, we also provide B2C consumer data with these three global partners. The B2C data is provided by Michael Bauer International, Dun & Bradstreet provide the B2B, and Penta Transaction provide the import-export activity. And then we allow, of course, to upload the internal data of our client to create an algorithm and recognize success partner to give them directly an immediate visualization and the list of contact of the best client for them, and the best location where they can eventually evaluate to open new office or open a new red of stores in many different countries. So the data that we manage for company, they can search by name to search specific competitors and understand if they are strong or not, the revenue of them. They can search by sector of activity and create a sale prospection by type of entity, business description, the parent company, again, employee, revenue, and also the contact, phone number, email, and URL. They can ask the platform, which is the product that I want to sell, and I can sell more in this country or another country, at which cost, which is the price that other competitors are using to sell the same product there, and which kind of taxes I have to pay to enter in one country or another. And of course, we can manage all over the world the purchasing power of population, the social demographic variables, socioeconomic, especially for those sectors, for example, retail sector. They want to open a retail chain in many different countries, so they need to know where the market is, the best market. Otherwise, they can fail. They're going to invest a lot of money in a wrong location, and the business is not going to succeed. So our client, as I said, is in many different sectors, and we are covering the 3 phases of the process of the initial phase of internationalization for those companies that have a more limited budget, but they need to access the information. Otherwise, the cost and the risk of failure is very high. Also, we cover the other 2 phases, the company that are already set up in different markets. They want to grow, they want to need more, they want to understand better how to really be more competitive, and also global company. Really, geomarketing software, this kind of solution helps, for example, energy sector, telecom, that they need to map their infrastructure and understand where are the customer that already have in their potential business they don't are covering right now. So they can be more efficient in their strategy of sale. Or retail, as I say, that a retail chain want to expand a network of stores, they need to know exactly in every single city, in every market, where is the best location for that. Or real estate, we help real estate to find the best price for their asset compared with the rest of the property around them. So it's the where factor and the database that we provide to them that really made all the process much more efficient and more, let's say, sensible to the success that they want to arrive at. So the business case that we cover is the enrichment of portfolio. We can recognize any portfolio anywhere just based on the tax number of the client. We match with all the universe of other business, so we give to our client information that they don't have internally. They can know about their client if they're in a level of risk, high or low, which kind of sector buy more their own product, and the kind of size of company, just to replicate in a better prospecting sales strategy. And in the expansion strategy, they can just design a very easy strategy to find the best location, just asking to the platform which are the main variables that are able for them to represent the success for the business. For example, if I have to open a restaurant or a retail, I need to understand in every country, in every city, where are the high density of population, high density of workers that come every day in this area, if there are other retailers in my proximity area. So I have to find these places, and without any data about this, the risk, again, is very high to fail. The license, because of the code is our own technology, we can configure the product really for the business case that the client really need. They don't have to pay an expensive software to just use 20% of this performance. So we give to them the possibility to have a global license and then to choose the right data set that they really are going to use. Or if they want, and then we want to pack, they want to go deeply in a specific country, they need to know where are exactly the position of their client, of their competitors, and then they can download and acquire the data, but just those data they really need, and they can, let's say, operate in a short term, because what we give to them is a universe of information that is continually updated, so they don't need to buy the entire data set, they just download and reduce the cost of the consumption of the information. So I think, I hope it was interesting for you. We are here in the Spanish pavilion, still today and tomorrow, so if you want to discuss a little bit further your business case, we are in Hall 4 and booth 7. Thank you.